Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 16. The dangers of making a living on borrowed money. Warren said, "The road of business is riddled with potholes. A plan requiring dodging them is a plan for disaster." Managers of businesses who have to borrow a lot of money are gambling they won't hit any potholes in the road ahead. Even best-run business can't dodge problems forever if they are heavily leveraged. Every 20 years or so we have a banking crisis. When the people who loaned the money to the banks short-term want their money back. That's when things get messy. Economic change offers lots of opportunities to those with the cash to take advantage. However, economic change can also mean disaster, for those who have taken too much debt to survive. Leverage is tempting but always leads to trouble. For example, borrow $100 billion at 5% short-term. Loan it out at 7% long-term, suddenly you are making $2 billion a year, and you are the business hero. But when the crash comes, and it will come, business drops and you can't service the debt. You would start to burn the business net worth. Until the economy turned around. Or you are forced into bankruptcy. Then the old management are the first to go. If you hadn't taken the loan, you would only have to reduce production to meet the lower demand. So when things eased up, the business would begin making money again. Warren looks at the long-term performance of a company, and its need to use debt. He looks back to the Great Depression to see who and how these companies survived. If Warren can't pay cash for a business, he isn't interested. In the recession of 2009, Berkshire was sitting on $20 billion cash, and very little debt. This gave them power to take advantage of the lower stock price opportunities. Warren is very reluctant to use debt to improve earnings. Old dogs know all the tricks. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, do good ideas always bear fruit?